Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk through the essential steps for maintaining your Surface 1796 device, focusing on warranty considerations and internal cleaning. First, let's gather the tools you will need. You will require a Torx screwdriver, a soft microfiber cloth, isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, and a small brush to remove dust and debris. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. This is a crucial safety step. Now, using the Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the back of the device. There are typically 6 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover using a plastic spudger or your fingers. Be cautious not to damage any of the internal components. Inside, you will see the battery, motherboard, and various connectors. It's a good practice to clean this area to maintain optimal performance. Using the soft microfiber cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol, wipe down the internal surfaces, removing any dust or residues. For corners and tight spots, use the small brush. Remember, a clean device runs more efficiently and stays cooler, prolonging its lifespan. If you encounter any issues during this process or feel unsure about handling the internal components, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can have peace of mind knowing that experts are available to assist you. After cleaning, ensure everything is dry and carefully reattach the back cover. Align it properly with the device and press down gently. Now, replace the screws you previously removed, securing the cover firmly in place. Once the screws are back in, power on your Surface 1796. Check to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you notice any irregularities, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Our team provides pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get the assistance you need. Before any repair, we always provide a quote, so you know exactly what to expect. This ensures transparency and trust in our services. Moreover, remember that with our service, there are no calls, no travel, which saves you time and hassle. This maintenance routine is crucial to ensure your Surface 1796 remains in excellent condition. Regular internal cleaning and checks can prevent potential issues from escalating. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and we encourage you to maintain a regular schedule for cleaning and checking your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.